Ever seen a kitten bully a puppy? And the puppy loves it. Meet Kitty and Alexa. One's full of sass, tiny, feisty, and bites everything. The other, pure patience. A patient fluffball who just lets it happen. Kitty's a boss. Alexa, she's a bodyguard, babysitter, and bestie, all in one. Kitty pounces, climbs, and chews. Alexa just wags her tail like, "Yep, this is fine." They're total opposites, but completely inseparable. It's chaos, cuddles, and the purest friendship ever. Tag someone who needs this kind of love, because everyone deserves a little Kitty and Alexa in their life. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.